Namaste and hello. Welcome to TrendyTechnoTalks. In this series, we'll be discussing intelligent automation. You might have heard this buzzword in many areas, maybe in articles, in job requirements, in technical videos. But what exactly is intelligent automation? What all is covered in the scope of intelligent automation? What is the evolution of this term? Which tools are used in this space? We'll be discussing everything in detail in this series. To make this series, I have collected all my thoughts which I have gained in my professional career of 15 plus years working on different automation projects. I have discussed the content with my colleagues and experts in this area. So let's get started. I would like to say that we'll be discussing everything here so that even a beginner or a novice or a layman would be able to understand what this term intelligent automation actually means and how it is impacting the industry and the world. So let's start with the very basic term organization. What is an organization? If we come to very simple terms, we can say when people, process, and technology come together to deliver something that forms an organization. So we can say that the people, process, and technology forms an organization. Now, when automation of people work, process, and technology happens in an organization, it is said to achieve intelligent automation. So, concluding, we can say the end-to-end automation journey in an organization where automation of people work, process, and technology all is covered, it is said as intelligent automation. Hope with this we can now understand what exactly intelligent automation means. Thank you.